Ready for the story of the three monkey bunnies?
Yes, Mommy.
In a magical forest, three monkey bunnies lived in a tree.
What happened next?
They found a
Sunrise
shiny
over a lush jungle. Three young macaques sleep on a branch. One slowly wakes up and stretches. It looks around the forest with curiosity. The two awake monkeys decide to wake their friend. They tickle him until he stirs. He opens his eyes and joins in the fun. All three laugh together. They chase each other through the trees. One monkey scratches another's back. Another points excitedly towards something off-screen. A third climbs higher into the branches. Back at the start of the day. Now they leap from the tree, ready for adventure. The three monkeys swing through the jungle canopy, their laughter echoing around them. They pause on a branch and listen intently. "What's that sound?" one monkey asks excitedly. They look at each other with wide eyes, then decide to follow the mysterious noise. As they approach, they see a sparkling river flowing nearby. One brave monkey steps forward and touches it gently. Suddenly, another jumps in for a refreshing splash. A playful water fight ensues as bubbles fly everywhere. But then something catches their eye. On the opposite side of the riverbank, a tree is laden with bright, exotic fruits. Their excitement grows as they spot this sweet discovery. Determined to reach those delicious treats, they search for a way across the river. Luckily, there's an old fallen log lying just right. It forms a natural bridge over the rushing water. Carefully, they scamper along the precarious path, balancing carefully not to fall into the river below. Finally, they make it safely to the fruit tree. Now comes the best part, enjoying their reward.
And the three little monkeys loved to play.
They're so funny.
They were the best of friends. The end. Sweet dreams, my little monkey.